What's up guys, it's Pearl here with a recommendation video of what I believe are the best studio quality audio recording tools for beginners. Now before we jump straight into this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. So I'll be sharing 3 apps that are readily available for download and are absolutely free for use. Alright, so the first app I'll be sharing with you guys is called GarageBand, and this is an iPhone app. If you're using any iOS device, you can find it in the App Store. So GarageBand is a music creation studio fully equipped with an array of digital instruments such as drums, keyboard, guitar, just so much you can choose from. This sound library is versatile and it has a touch bar feature for MacBook Pros apparently, so I think that's pretty cool. The thing with this app is it's user-friendly, it's very easy to learn, you can easily create things and yeah, you basically figure it out as you go. As I already mentioned before, it does come free for all iOS device users. So to record, you're gonna press the little red button and you tap the play button to finish the recording. You can use any audio effect to your recording, and you can also edit your audio tracks and recordings by touching the button at the top left corner of the audio recorder, and it will open the editing screen where you can cut, copy, delete, split, you know the deal, all of that. So I'm going to quickly sample it for you guys so that you hear what it sounds like. So you press on the small room.
I'll just put in a recording for you guys.
Alrighty, so another app that you guys already know, I'm pretty sure everyone knows about this one, but it's the voice memo app that comes with all iPhones. So basically the voice memo app is a tool that I've been using for a while now, and as soon as you launch this app, you can easily start recording sound, replaying it and recording on top of another recording if you don't like it. So the basic functions of editing and managing the audio clips are perfect for beginners. Now, if you don't have an iPhone and you're an Android user, there are apps available on the Play Store, and the best alternative for GarageBand is BandLab, which is also free. To record, you tap the red button at the bottom of the screen and you can do your voice recordings via your headsets or the built-in mic on your phone. It does have a total of 12 tracks which you can use to record the audio. To save, you just tap the cloud icon on the top right of the screen. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope this video was helpful in some kind of way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and make sure you comment down below what you'd like to see on this channel. Love you guys and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. See you guys on my next video, and happy Thanksgiving.